Assalamu alaikum. Hello. 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 Are you able to hear me? Okay. Are you able to see the slides? Are you able to see the slides? Mubaraki, are you not able to see the slide? Hello. Hello. Why Mubaraki is unable to see? Use your computer, Mubaraki. Other students are able to see. Abdur Rahman Mubaraki, please log in with your computer. Hello. So shall we start now? Hello. Shall we start now? Okay, khalas. So as you know, actually we have class on Sunday, but because we will be busy with the university schedule, we have university people coming to college and we will be busy there. I don't want to waste your time to have class there. So what I do is I'll take the class now itself, and those who have not done their soft skills should be able to do the soft skills from this. Okay. So if you have anything, you can ask me, or else I'll start the class. So in this class, you will be learning about what you have already learnt in safety course. So the first thing, remember this is we are doing the review, and this review is R3. Okay, so please do remember what all you are studying here. At least you can expect one question, inshallah, in the final exam. So try to concentrate and try to see that you understand each and everything. You will be getting 2 mark questions, at least one 2 mark question, inshallah, in the final exam. Okay. Is everyone okay? You can WhatsApp me if you are finding any difficulty. Okay. So first question is, you can expect a question like this: what is PPE, for 2 marks question? So this question you have already learnt in previous class also as well, because this is a review. I am again repeating that because you have final exam on this. So PPE यानी personal protective equipment. Okay, PPE यानी personal protective equipment. Okay, so any device which is used for protection while you are working in electrical laboratory or workshop, this device for protection is called PPE. Okay, so these are the missiles: safety helmet, then safety footwear, then harnesses, okay, eye protection, gloves, high visibility clothing. Okay, so all these are the misal. In exam you can just write masalan like gloves, okay, clothing, special clothing, not the sada clothing. what clothing that you use for your work, okay, as an electrician or a technician. The clothing that you wear especially is called high visibility clothing, and it will be specific for the purpose. So these this PPE are particularly designed to protect. Okay, their purpose is to protect. Okay, so it can be used for hazard यानी problems, khatra. Okay, so where you have low, medium, and high level. यानी all devices are of different kinds. यानी it can be low, it can be medium, it can be high level, depending upon what problem you have. यानी what type of danger or khatra you have in your work. Okay, so this is called PPE. Can anyone repeat this in Arabic? If someone wants to have soft skills also, those who have still to say soft skill can do that. Is anyone there still who have not done soft skill and wants to give soft skill? Hello, soft skills. Who are there? Nuli Maujud. Hello, Nuli Maujud. Is Nuli Maujud here? Saleh will be coming late. Hello, is Nuli among you? Hello, Saleh Mafi Maujud? Hello. Okay, I go for the second slide. PPE for electricians. Now, in general, you have learnt about PPE, the device which is used for electrical engineers or technicians or electricians. Okay. Now we go khas for electric people, yani those who work on workshops related to electric engineering. What are the special PPEs? So here, just simple examples I have given: hard hat, safety glass, and clothing, special clothing, and khas clothing. This is not sada clothing. This is special clothing which is used for electrical engineers. Okay, so hard hat, which is like also called as helmet, and similarly safety glasses, which are used for eye protection, and clothing, and a special wearing that you have for wearing in the in a workshop. These are all PPs for electricians. Now, what are their first hard hat? So, the hard hat is a special PPE which is used by electrical engineers. So, the material that is used for this hard hat is of special category which tries to avoid electric shock. Basically, they are called non-conductive hard hat. Okay, electricians should particularly wear a special hard hat while working with high voltage overhead wires. Okay, because that can cause problem when the wire falls onto their head. Electrocution can occur, so that will be a big danger. So to avoid that, non-conductive hard hat should be worn by the electricians or technicians which are who are working in the electric workshop. So this helps not only from head injury but also from shock that can be caused by falling off cables, electric cables which are carrying high voltage. They also can help avoid the burning. These electric high voltages can cause flame or fires which can burn the skin or hair. So by using the helmet or the hard hat, it is easy to protect oneself from these problems. So the live wires or the live wires which are overhead can be protected from by the use of hard hat. So basically, all those flying objects, which may be uh, because of the manufacturing, because of the use. Okay, such things can fall onto the head and may also result in electrical explosion. So all these things can be avoided by using the hard hat. So if this question asked in final exam, write about hard hat, you can say basically it is a non-conductive. Okay, so second thing you can say, it can be worn on the head. Okay, so 2 marks, 2 points you can write. In addition, you can, if you want to write more point, it is for your better. And if one is wrong, I can consider the other. Next, we move to safety glass. This is a safety glass which I have shown in the picture. Safety glass are special glasses which help protect the eye for the electrician while he's working on high voltage terminals, and where he's cutting, and then the wires can the cut wires can fly in the air and perhaps fall onto the eye. So basically, safety glasses are PP. They are example for PP, HAAS for eyes. Okay, so it helps in protecting the eyes. So it helps in protecting any injury that can cause to the eyes. So any injury to the eyes while working on electric wires can be protected by using this what you call as safety glasses. Basically, these safety glasses, particularly when to be used for electricians, should be safe, and they should be non-conductive. Yani, it should not be able to pass current into that, because say like you are passing through a group of wires, and perhaps some of the wires may prick into your eye, and that sort of problem may be caused, and perhaps high current can flow and cause injury to the eye. So these should be non-conductive, yani it should not be able to pass current into it. So these are the special goggles. They are also called goggles. Okay, so these are special goggles that need to be used by the electricians, which help in avoiding the problem to the eyes. So these are the safety goggles. Next, we move to electrician clothing. So you can have a question like, what is electrician clothing? So this is a special type of clothing. As you can see in the picture, you see these uh, baggy sort of pants wherein you have big pockets wherein you can put your tester, screwdrivers, and what all things that are needed while you are working. You are cutting plier, and similarly, you see the boots. They are a special type of non-conductive boots that give a proper earthing. This the current can flow and cause an injury to the body. Why, if you have a non-conductive and a special type of boots, they protect you from earthing problem. So these are the things that are helpful for an electrician, and particularly when worn by electrician, these are a special type of electrician clothing. Similarly, you see this person is in complete clothing. These are special clothing for electrician. They are non-conductive. They do not allow the any of the wire which we can accidentally fall to flow the high voltage or high current into the body. Okay, so this is a head protection, and similarly these are the gloves which protect the hand, and these are special boots that give him protection. Thereby, any injury that can be caused by high current wires can be protected. So these are the basically important things that one should take care. So they are basically fire rated. Yani if there is any fire hazard caused because of high voltage or high current explosion, okay, that can be protected. Okay, and they are lightweight. They are not heavy, and they are breathable. Yani you can inhale oxygen easily with these, and particularly they are durable. They are very strong. They do not tear off. Okay, so and similarly safety vest which are worn on the body, on the top, basically are highly visibility and highly visible and reflective. यानी if you are moving with this dress wearing in the night time, this glows. This is illuminated, giving indication of a person existing there, thereby accidents can be avoided. Similarly, special type of boots, these are a special type of boots which help in earthing problem and all that, and they give electrical isolation. They are also water resistant. If suppose it's raining and you have an electric work to do outside, this will help avoid the problem. Okay, so this sort of thing can be avoided. This sort of problems can be avoided and thus help the electrician. So there are special toe caps. On the feet you can specially wear toe caps. There are special PPs which prevent toe. This toe is a part of the feet which can be accidentally in electric high voltage contact or any sort of heavy things that can be protected. Similarly, slip resistance soles. This backside of the shoe are slip resistant. They do not allow you to slip. Okay, and special type of belts can also be a part of clothing where you tie the belt and you tie that belt to any rod while you are working, say like on buildings, to protect yourself. If suppose you slip off, still you will be hanging and you will not fall down. So these are belts. So, and these belts are not ordinary belts, they are non-conductive belts made up of some heavy duty plastic and can have special type of buckle, okay, to tie yourself to these, and a special type of FR rated nylon. These are special materials, and similarly leather can be also used to make it non-conductive, thereby the electrician who is working on this will be specially protected. So these are the electrician clothings which are very helpful. So this was today's class. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And Noli or Saleh is present. You can just ask him to give his presentation. Hello. You have any questions?
No, doctor, no, coach.
Um, where is Noli? Noli मौजूद? नोली मौजूद? माफी मौजूद? Saleh, will you present soft skills? Saleh. Hello. Saleh Hussain. Hello. Present for 1 minute, Saleh Hussain. Hello. 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 What happened, Saleh? Your voice is not heard. Hello. Ali Kenani, please tell him to give the presentation.
What, doctor?
Yeah, ask Saleh to give soft skills now.
صالح اقول لك soft skill قبله اقرا له اي شيء. صالح دكتور مايك بروبلم.
Okay, this one is not present. What's his name? نولي ما
نولي
في.
not here.
Okay, خلاص. You have any questions you can ask or else that's it.
دكتور ثانك يو. يقول لك أي سؤال؟
Thank you.